having the hair system has kind of alleviated that need to plan that sort of area of my life. And I would say that's probably the biggest hurdle that I've been able to overcome with the system, where now I can now worry about other problems, you know. And if I could kind of go back in time, I would send myself that video of the hair systems, be like, hey, like, try this. Don't waste your time with anything else. I started using minoxidil. After that, I went to use like those hair fibers. They helped, but like you couldn't really do anything. Like if you were to lay down, like you'd have to make sure that the pillow wasn't like a white pillow. If you're not moving at all during the day, if you're not sweating, perfect, right? But if you want to do anything remotely active and you start sweating, or if you're moving around, like you have the chance of those fibers moving and kind of getting stuck onto other things. Because just as well as they stick to your hair, they also stick to many other things. I think like Super Hairpieces does a very good job at answering your questions and kind of supporting you. With Super Hairpieces, like the systems that I've been using recently have been very high quality. I remember my first one, I think it lasted me about 6 months. It's really helped me out. Back then, like when I first started, when I was 18 or 19, it's a pretty dark hole to get into, because you first off start with it being like, why me? You know, I'm only 18, this shouldn't be really happening to me. And it kind of takes over your life. And little by little, I think now I found using the hair systems might be a long-term solution. If you want to do it for yourself.